Hey friends, today we're going to draw another emoji. Which one are we drawing?
The hamster head.
Yeah, the hamster head. I hope you're going to follow along with us. Got a marker and some paper.
And something to color with.
Something to color with at the very end to make our drawings look even cooler.
Yes.
You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first draw our hamster's eyes. We're going to draw them right in the middle of our paper and we're going to draw them really tall. We're going to use a lot of the same steps that we used for the puppy emoji.
Yes.
And we're going to draw two. We're going to draw two ovals. And we want to leave a little bit of space in between the eyes. Yeah. Then one more. Now at the very top, we're going to draw a smaller circle. This is for the highlight to make our hamster eyes look shiny.
And cute.
Yeah, and cute. And then we're going to color in the big ovals, but leave the little circles white. And if you need to make them a little bit bigger, you can also go around the outside if you need to, but your eyes are perfect. I was thinking my eyes are a little small. Okay, here we go. So we got the hamster eyes. Now let's draw his little nose. We're going to draw a V shape right in between his eyes, but lower. And then we're going to connect the top. It looks like an upside down triangle.
Or candy corn.
Or candy. Okay, candy corn. You're already thinking about Halloween. Okay, now let's draw the top of our hamster's head. Now, with the puppy, we drew a really big. On this one, we're going to draw a little smaller so he has chubbier cheeks. So we're going to start above his head like this. We're going to draw an upside down U that goes over from one side over to the other. And look, I'm outside of his eyes too. Yeah, perfect. All right, now we're going to draw his chubby cheeks. We're going to start by drawing a C shape over here on this side. We're going to come around, and then right here we're going to end close to the nose and just a little bit below it. I love how chubby
It
your
looks like
cheeks
a
are.
nostril. And those are the...
Like a super big nose. And these are the nostrils. Okay. No, we're drawing a hamster. Okay. So now we're going to draw the other chubby cheek over here on this side. We want them to look the same. We're going to end in the same spot. Got a little wobbly right here. Oh, I love those cheeks. Look at those. That's a big giant nose. Now we're going to draw his chin. We're going to connect this side over to the other side.
That looks so...
It's cute. It's awesome. I love it. It's going to look more like a hamster once we add the ears. Now we also got to add the whiskers too. So let's do that. We're going to add 3 whiskers coming down. So we're going to curve. We're going to start right next to the nose and we're going to curve down like this. This one I'm going to draw actually longer, and then each one's going to be shorter. So we're going to do another curve right above it that's a little shorter. And then this one, the last one, we're going to draw right next to it, and we're going to draw even shorter, like that. Now we're going to try to repeat those same 3 lines over here on this side so that it looks symmetrical. So we're going to draw another one that comes down, one that's a little shorter, and one even shorter above that one. All right, I'm going to extend these just a little longer. There we go. Okay, and we got our whiskers. Now let's draw the ears. So we're going to start up here at the top of his ear, top of his head. We're going to draw a big ear that comes around, circle. So we're going to draw a big ear that comes around like this. Kind of makes him look like a mouse, and then back in. Yeah, keep going. Perfect. And then let's try to repeat that same shape over on the other side. So we want to start in the same spot. But on the left side, we're going to draw a circle. It comes around and back in.
Oh, small ear, big ear.
Oh, it's good. I like it. That's okay. We're practicing,
yes.
Right? Doesn't have to be perfect. Now, we're going to draw the inside of his ear. We're going to draw a crescent. So we're going to start inside his ear. But watch this. As we go up to the top, we're going to get closer until we get gradually touch into the top of the first circle.
Like a moon.
Yeah. It looks like a crescent of a moon. Now, we're going to draw the other side. We're going to do the same thing. Gradually get closer until we touch. All right, Jack, we did it. We finished drawing our hamsters. Now, he does have a little patch that goes over his eye, but we're going to do that with our colored pencils.
Yes.
Now, this part we're going to fast forward, but at the end, you can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Jack, we did it. We finished coloring our hamsters. They look so much better, and they look more like a hamster with a little patch. We hope you guys are gonna pause the video right now to match the same coloring. We used a peach color to color this little patch, and we started by drawing this line that comes down in between his eyes, around and back up. But it's okay that our drawings look different, right?
Yeah.
And we always remind our art friends, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
to have fun
And to practice.
and to practice. And we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.